Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my kitchen if you're a regular. Saludos a todos, bienvenido a mi cocina. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Cuban milkshake called batido de trigo, which is made from puff wheat cereal. Hoy les traigo una receta, es muy popular en Cuba, se llama batido de trigo. Está hecho con puff wheat cereal. Before I get started, I just want to let you know that I'm going to replace the condensed milk with regular sugar because it's really fattening and I can't afford to gain any more weight. So I'm going to use regular sugar. Antes de empezar, voy a cambiar la leche condensada a azúcar porque leche condensada tiene demasiadas calorías y solo con comida lo engorda. For the ingredients, I'm using 1 cup of puff wheat cereal, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Para los ingredientes necesitamos una taza de cereal de trigo, puff wheat cereal, una taza de leche, una cucharadita de vanilla y la misma cantidad de maizena y canela en polvo y 2 cucharadas de azúcar. So you're going to put everything into the blender and you're going to blend everything until you get a smooth consistency. Bátalo hasta tiene un batido denso y frío durante 3 minutos, más o menos. You may need to stir it a little bit before you pour it into your glass because it's going to be very thick. Quizás necesitas una cuchara para revolver el batido si es demasiado grueso. The more ice you put into your shake, the more thicker it will be. So if you like a thinner shake, then put less ice. If you like a thicker shake, put more ice. Si te gusta un batido más grueso, echa más hielo. Depende cómo te gusta tu batido, usa más o menos. Now to finish it off, you can add cinnamon, you can add whipped cream or ice cream, depending on how many calories you want to drink. Now I'm going to take a sip. It's really hot in New York, so this is really refreshing. Puedes decorarlo con canela en polvo, pero depende cuánto calorías quiere comer. Puedes usar whipped cream o helado. Well guys, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Follow me on Facebook at my Facebook group, Lolita's Cuban Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.